Now listen, MTN has a mashup plan, and this mashup plan allows you to dial a code to activate it.
And the code is *567*1*1*1*2#. The one is 3, okay? So when you activate it, you get 50 megabytes. This 50 megabytes, it's a WhatsApp bundle. It means that you can't use it to browse. If not WhatsApp, you can't use it to browse. But listen, and it expires within 24 hours too. But listen, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use this WhatsApp bundle to browse. This WhatsApp bundle, MTN are saying you can't use to browse. The trick is going to allow you to use the WhatsApp bundle to go to YouTube, to go to Play Store. I mean, do everything you want to do with it. You can only get this on my channel. So stay tuned and watch the full video. Assuming you want to get 1 gigabyte, guess how many times you have to do it? 0.07 gives you what? 50 MB. So the more you do it, the more data you accumulate. If you don't want it to expire, what you need to do is that every day when you wake up, just do one to roll over it. So I wake up, I have 1 gigabyte. I wake up in the morning, I don't want it to expire. What I need to do is to dial *567*1*1*1*2#. Then I will do the 0.07, which gives me 50 MB. I will do it on the previous one, so it will roll over. When it roll over, they will say that my bundle expires tomorrow. Then tomorrow too, you do it like that. When you continue to do it,
your bundle will never expire. Your bundle will never expire.
Stay tuned and check out the tutorials I have for you. Till I catch you next time, stay blessed. Benji bless here.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers?
Alright, let's get started. So I want to open to YouTube for you to see if it will load. You know what I'm having at the moment is WhatsApp bundle, so it means I can't use it to browse. Apart from WhatsApp, I can't use it to do anything. But this trick I'm coming to show you will allow you to browse using the WhatsApp bundle. Okay, so let's get started. Well, let's go to YouTube and see YouTube. It is not loading because the bundle is only WhatsApp. It's not loading. So that's what you do. Go to Play Store and download these two apps, Alphazal VPN free and Alphazal Socks. This is it, Alphazal Socks and Alphazal VPN free. Now, after you have downloaded, make sure you activate the WhatsApp bundle. So assuming you don't have it at all, I'm happy, but for the sake of those who don't have it, let me show you. You click dial *567*1*1*1*2#. You are activating the WhatsApp bundle. If this is your first time, this is how you are going to go about it. Then you select 0.07, which gives you 50 megabytes. Then you select any of them. This one is just the normal little data they will give you as a bonus, but the raw data is 50 MB. So you select one. Yeah, so they have given me the 50 MB. If you want to check the bundle, if you want to check, you go to *567*1*6#. That is if you want to check your bundle. Okay, so you can see what's a bundle 336. Now I have activated it, so go to Alphazal Socks. When you download it for the first time, there's a possibility they might ask you to update it. Don't worry, update it. Select the first one, make it auto. Then the network. Select WhatsApp. Okay, select WhatsApp bundle. Then you add the time. Okay, mine, I have already added time, so you can see it is what, 27 0615, right? Yeah, so I have 27 hours. For yours, it's going to be 00, so you click on add time. Now with the add time, it will require you to use a normal data. I just want to take my time so that you can get it clearly. It is requiring you, it is going to require you to use the normal data. Okay, so add the time, then click on start. Right after that, you connect. What it means is that you are going to use the WhatsApp bundle, which you cannot, under normal circumstances, you can't use it to browse. You are going to use that same WhatsApp bundle to browse, go to YouTube, whatever. And I'm going to show you a proof here. All right. So let's click start. Right now it's connected. You see, at first I opened to YouTube, it wasn't working. Let's go and check YouTube right now. Wow, now the WhatsApp bundle has been activated. Now I am using the WhatsApp bundle to browse. You see, I can use it to do any other thing. If I disconnect the app right now and I open it, it won't come. See, let me open to YouTube. It's not loading. You can see it's not loading. Now let me go and connect. Okay, now it's connected. Let's open to YouTube. You see, so with this trick, you'll be able to browse using the WhatsApp bundle. And you know what, you can accumulate as many as you want. Okay, 0.07 gives you 50 MB. So if you want 200 MB, what do you need to do? You have to do it 4 times. So you can accumulate it as many. You can even get 10 gig. When you do that, the necessary thing you need to do here is that because it expires within 24 hours, you have to, roll over every day. So assuming I have 500 MB, activated it today, I don't want it to expire. What I need to do is that the following day I will just do 0.07, and the code is *567 *1 *2 hash. Then this code the 1 is 3. I made it 1. This code might be very stressful. So what I did was that I saved the code on my speed dial. So if I want to do it, there is no need for me to type all the code. I will just press 2, speed dial, then it will activate. You see, then I do 0.07. When you do it, it will renew the previous bundle. Okay, so if you don't want it to expire, every day do 0.07 to renew the previous bundle. So that is what you have to do every day. Okay, yeah. And you can also connect another one, that is a phaser VPN too. If the socks is not working for you, you can use the phaser VPN. You click on their phaser VPN, then you update it, go through the same process. You update it, then you choose the server. You can test it. This one you don't have auto servers, so you can test it. Okay, so you can choose any one that works best for you. For me, I prefer the phaser socks, but if socks, you click here, then you select Ghana MTN mashup plan. You click on it, then you add the time, then you connect straight away. It will connect. So you test it, okay? You test it, the server that works best for you. Then use it. Okay, so I think for me this one is not working, so I'll prefer using the Alphaza socks. Okay, the Alphaza socks, that is what I'll prefer using, and that one will connect for me. So that is that. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section below. I'll respond to you as soon as I see your comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, kindly subscribe and leave your comments. As I said earlier on, leave your comment below and share this video to your friends. Okay, it's really helping. The method is really helping others. I have benefited so much from this method. A lot are still benefiting from this method. Share my link to the groups, share it to friends, family, and all your loved ones, okay? Because it is a trick that is really working. Stay blessed till I catch you next time. Bye bye.